Do you want to know how to do your own gel nails at home? This stunning red gel manicure. If you're interested in these types of videos, please hit subscribe and like this video. Also feel free to comment down whatever you need. I reply to all my comments. The first thing you are going to need is obviously gel nail polish, and mine is by Gillis. I highly recommend this brand of gel. So what you would need is a file, a cuticle pusher, a barking bluff, the gel. You would need a base coat, the color of your choice, and a top coat. Also additional, you would need cuticle oil, and you would also need a UV lamp. So after you've gathered all your materials, I suggest you put on some music, set the vibe, and get started. Now I'm going to be showing you a visual of how I did my nails. I have a list down below of where you can purchase all the products you will need in this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you really enjoyed it and you found it helpful, and if you did, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.